This is a gorgeous Aspinal of London handbag. It's a sort of shoulder tote. I come back here, I'm 5'4", so you can get an idea of the size of it. It has, of course, got the Aspinal lock, and it's in excellent condition. All of the corners that would normally show signs of wear are in excellent, immaculate condition. No sign of wear at all. And on the base, you've got 4 studs, which again are in excellent condition. It's got beautiful gold hardware with that chain sound, you know, which is really lovely. So, oh my goodness, the sunshine's come out. Let's show you inside. So you've got your Aspinal lock, and then you have got a press stud closure. And inside, it's lined in pale fabric, so you can see what you're doing. That's Aspinal of London ticket there. And it's got 1 zipped pocket, and on the front there are 2 flat pockets there. It smells fabulous, and it really is a gorgeous bag and a really gorgeous colour for autumn. That kind of rich red burgundy autumn leaf kind of colour.